Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to my channel. I just have a quick unboxing today of a retired bag style from Portland Leather Goods. I found this one on eBay, as I sometimes do, and this rounds out my collection of this retired style to 3 bags. So I'm going to show you all 3 of those today as well. So let's get started. Like I said, I found this bag on eBay. I always advise, do not ship a leather bag in a plastic bag without anything else. But I'm going to give this person a pass because from what I can feel, it feels as though they've encased it in big giant bubbles. So this bag arrived safely from what I can tell so far. They've got it in bubble wrap, and inside of the bubble wrap, it's in plastic. And inside of the plastic, it is in a dust bag. This says this is handmade from Laid Back London, handmade. It's a nice little canvas bag. I love that. And then inside the bag, it's in tissue paper. So actually this person did take care mailing the purse, and I appreciate that. Okay, what retired style is this? Probably the title of the video gave it away, but let's check it out. This is the large Eclipse purse from Portland Leather, but it is retired. Ooh, looky, looky, looky. Okay, this is the large Eclipse purse, and I believe the listing said ruby red. This is a great purse, you guys. It's got a zip top, dome top, zip top, and then on the inside, she did a great job and stuffed it. On the inside, there's no pockets or anything. It's just a open compartment, but it does have a pocket on the front. You guys, these bags from eBay, it's like, look at that. Like no pen marks, no real corner wear. Did anyone use this bag? This bag's glorious. Amazing. Strap is in excellent condition. It looks probably similar to the day it looked when the first person ever bought this for themselves. Okay, so the thing I love about the large Eclipse purses, and PLG, please bring them back, is they give the illusion of like a small-ish bag, but they actually hold everything I need on the daily. So you can see it's got a nice wide base, not overly wide, but wide enough that it fits like everything I need on the daily. Into the large Eclipse purse, retired design, very cute. I can put my squeeze eyeglasses case in Stardust. I'm gonna put my large marigold pouch in Grinch. There we go. And today I have my quesadilla wallet in chocolate brown. I would also add in there my phone and keys, maybe my mini daisy that holds my AirPods. You can see like that kind of filled the base, but then there's all this room up top too for more stuff. So that is the large Eclipse. Let's see, this is on a pretty long setting. So let's do a crossbody. Yeah, too long for me. I'm only about 5 feet tall. So for crossbody time, I'm often snugging it down. There we go. That's closer. I'd probably even go one more. So it would be up here. So that's what she looks like on. Super cute, right? Okay, let's show you the other 2. I said it rounded out my collection to 3. I also have this purse in pine. Such a pretty color. And in honey. And these were also bought pre-loved. So all 3 of these cute little bags came to me pre-loved. Awesome. Welcome to the family, large Eclipse purse. Oh, the other cool thing that you can do with these, because the straps are removable, you can actually change out the strap for any strap that you have. Let me see if I have a cute one to try. Okay, I'm gonna try it with this adorable Coach strap. This was at the Coach outlet online for a screaming deal, and I just thought it was so cute. So let's try it with this. Isn't that super fun? Just a little bit of a different look. It's a little bit like hippier, boho. I think, yeah, I can shorten these straps a little bit more so it would come up a little bit. That's probably where I would wear it. But it's really fun with the red and the red. Thank you so much for watching. Just a quick one today. Have a really great day. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.